Welcome to C.Tube, where ancient Chinese strategy meets modern life. Through timeless tales of power, wisdom, and intrigue, we decode the art of decision-making, self-awareness, and navigating the complexities of career and life. Let history be your greatest teacher. In today's story, we journey back to the Tang Dynasty, where Prince Qin, Li Shimin, faced a moment of suspicion that could have cost him a future hero. More than just a tale of loyalty and rebellion, this is a story about trust and how the courage to believe in another can transform doubt into destiny. Let's step into the moment and see what it reveals about us today. Part 1. A Test of Suspicion. Yu Zhigong was once a general under Liu Wuzhou. When Liu's forces collapsed, he surrendered along with others to Prince Qin, Li Shimin. Yet soon after, when Li Shimin campaigned against Wan Shichong, many of Liu's former men rebelled again. Fearing that Yu Zhigong might also betray them, Li Shimin's officers locked him up. The generals urged Li Shimin. "He came to us as a defector. Now that we've imprisoned him, his heart must be filled with resentment. Even if he had no intention to rebel before, he surely will now. Better to kill him early than suffer disaster later." But Li Shimin dismissed their fears. If he wished to rebel, he would have done so long ago. Why wait until now? He ordered Yu Zhigong released, invited him into his own quarters, and rewarded him with gold and silver. Smiling, he said, "Don't let this small matter trouble you. Some advised me to kill you, but I chose not to. If you wish to leave, I won't stop you. Take this as traveling money for our brief time together." Yu Zhigong replied firmly, "I want no reward. I only wish to fight alongside the Prince of Qin and win the realm by your side." Delighted, Li Shimin exclaimed, "Excellent! I've been idle for too long. Come, let's go hunting together." Part 2. Valor on the Battlefield. With only a small retinue, the two rode out. Unexpectedly, they encountered tens of thousands of Wan Shichong's troops. The enemy's fierce general Shen charged straight at Li Shimin. With a thunderous shout, Yu Zhigong burst forth, thrust his spear, and hurled Shen Xin from his horse. His ferocity was so awe-inspiring that enemy soldiers froze in fear and began to retreat. "Death to any who block my path," Yu Zhigong roared, cutting a bloody path to protect the prince as they broke free from the encirclement. Back at camp, Yu Zhigong rallied men to counterattack. Li Shimin cautioned him, "The enemy numbers are too great. You must not engage them." But Yu Zhigong laughed. "My lord, I am in the heat of battle. Watch from afar, and I will return shortly." He charged into the fray, toppling enemy commanders wherever his spear struck. Within moments, the enemy lines collapsed. He pursued them relentlessly, seizing the enemy general Tanzhili and capturing 6,000 troops. Li Shimin, overjoyed, declared with a smile, "Just earlier, everyone claimed you would betray us. Only I believed otherwise, and heaven has swiftly proven me right." From then on, Li Shimin placed great trust in Yu Zhigong, bringing him on campaigns across the land, where he would win renown through countless victories. Now, let's break it down into the key takeaways you won't want to forget. People often say that Li Shimin was always eager to accept advice. But that is not entirely true. He was not a man who simply gathered opinions without judgment, nor was he a gentle pleaser who obeyed every word regardless of right or wrong. For example, when his officers confidently concluded that Yu Zhigong would inevitably rebel, they urged Li Shimin to kill him immediately and eliminate future trouble. Instead of following the crowd, Li Shimin chose trust and generosity. He offered Yu Zhigong gold and silver as travel expenses, leaving the choice to stay or leave entirely in his hands. Such magnanimity was unmatched. Yu Zhigong, moved by this sincerity, resolved to devote himself to the prince's cause. His courage and loyalty would later save Li Shimin from mortal danger on multiple occasions, and he eventually rose to become one of the 24 heroes enshrined in the Lingyan Pavilion. Compared with his former peers and comrades, men like Li Mi, Shen Shonxin, and Wang Bodan, his destiny proved far brighter, a fortune that surely stirred envy. In hindsight, those who predicted Yu Zhigong might betray were not entirely wrong. Yet Li Shimin's decision not to kill him was undoubtedly wise. He understood that a strong, valiant man of fierce spirit could be bound not by fear, but by trust. With sincerity, rebellion could be transformed into loyalty, and suspicion into strength. Li Shimin's greatness lay first in his keen judgment, and second, in his magnanimous heart qualities that men like Li Mi could never hope to match. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into history and insight, don't forget to subscribe for more stories that reveal the wisdom behind the ages.